All right, eighth grade, we have finished our lessons of 1 through 4. It is time to work on the mastery. When doing masteries, you guys can always go back and look at previous lessons if you get stuck on how to do a problem. You can also use your resources such as iPad and calculator. When you are finished, don't forget to submit to me through Canvas, and good luck. Let's go through this real quick, guys. So, on the first part up above, you are welcome to use your calculator on all of the problems up above. These are word problems. You just need to work through them. I understand if you're using a calculator, you're not going to have much work to show. If the answer is wrong, we'll go back and correct them together. When you get to problem number 7, um, it is a word problem, and then it has this over here. You just have to end up telling me what the new balance is after the withdrawal. You do not have to do anything with this. All right. On problems 8 and 9, you just have to estimate and give me a final answer. With problem number 10, it says in a small group, um, we are going to just mark that out. You do not have to do problem number 10. All right. So once again, use your resources. Look back at previous lessons. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas. Good luck.